Hi guys, in this video I want to make a website with WordPress and in less than 1 minute, and if you join this video you can subscribe us on the YouTube, and you don't need to pay money for this host and domain. Let's go. First of all, we go to Chrome and we search 000webhost.com. That's this website. Now we get started, and that's $0. We freeze sign up. We check this, and you must log into site, and you can log in with Google account. Wait for login. I choose my account and then I set password like this. Let's create some magics. Set others, and then we set some site name. That's the domain of your site. For example, I write easy WordPress, and then that's the password of your site. For example, select, and then I submit. That has exist with this site name. That has been created. We check install WordPress. We select this, and then that is the username and password of your WordPress site. I set username and password, and that's language for your site. You can choose your language. I choose English. I check it, save, and wait for building the WordPress site. You don't need to pay any money for this. In other videos I learn you how to work with WordPress. That's take a long time for installing WordPress on our house. It's finalizing. That's install completely, and go to complete. We can see it run. I log in. can visit site. And our domain is easywordpress1, and after that is .coowwebhostapp.com. You see we have a site, and in other videos I show you how to make a video, make a WordPress site, and how to work with this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us on YouTube. Goodbye.